Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be reviewing Kickresume guys, alright? This is a popular AI-powered AI-powered resume builder that offers you features such as, for creating resumes, cover letters, personal web pages, we have it's aimed at streamlining the job application process, right? It provides templates and pre-written content that users can tailor to various job types, guys, right? However, its AI writing tools can often generate, generic phrases that lack advanced customization, which actually limits their ability to tailor resumes to specific job descriptors. So users seeking a high level of personalization may find this a bit disappointing as the AI doesn't always match the refinement that direct ChatGPT powered options offer. So you might be better off, if you want to personalize stuff a little bit, you might be better off using direct ChatGPT options. Now, if we look at the user-friendly design, okay, we can appreciate Cake Resume's user-friendly design. It is pretty simple and there's ease of navigation on the website. And while it's free version, it offers a limited section of templates. The premium version expands the options with the resume checker, additional templates, grammar and spell check features, the AI job interview questions generator, AI resume rewriter, and a resume checker are just highlights, okay? They assist users in both resume preparation and interview readiness, right? So both resume preparation and interview readiness. So however, the premium plans $19 a month. Monthly fee is considered somewhat steep by some users, especially for what it just does. $19 a month is a little bit steep, okay, especially for those people who are using the platform only temporarily, right? Long-term subscription options do offer better value, but there are alternatives like Canva and Zeti, which are often cited, guys, to provide similar features at lower prices. And if you look at it in terms of overall performance, Kickresume is generally well received, but has mixed feedback regarding its, first of all, price to value ratio and AI capability, which is seen as helpful but not fully optimized for nuanced job targeting. Okay, for simple resume creation, I'm telling you guys, for simple resume creation, Kickresume is effective. But for those needing highly customized and adaptive resumes, well, there are other options that might worth be exploring, guys. Maybe ChatGPT directly itself. For more information, guys, you can check out the reviews, their sources such as Steel HQ, and I could do that. So the video helps, guys, and if you find this informative, and if you have any thoughts on this Kick Resume AI, you can leave that down in the comments below. As always, guys, make sure to subscribe